Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you my super tasty South Indian style squid pepper masala recipe. This spicy seafood dish is my husband and son's absolutely favorite. And once you try it, I'm sure it will become your family's favorite too. So let's get started. First, heat a kadai and add a little coconut oil. Once hot, add finely chopped green chilies and two medium-sized onions. Saute until golden. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Next add one medium-sized tomato, cover it and cook until soft and mushy. Now add the spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of freshly ground black pepper powder and half teaspoon of chicken masala powder. Mix everything well. Add the clean and cut squid rings. Mix nicely with the masala. Now add a splash of soy sauce, fresh curry leaves and a little vinegar. Stir well and cover the lid. Let it cook on medium flame. No need to add water. Squid will release its own moisture. If you like a semi-gravy style masala, turn off the flame at this stage. But if you want it dry, cook on high flame for a few more minutes. Just make sure it doesn't burn. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander leaves. And that's it, our super easy, spicy, and tasty squid pepper masala is ready. My husband and son enjoy this most with the chapati, parotta, or hot steamed rice. So, do give this recipe a try and share your opinion in the comments. I would love to hear how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes for more authentic seafood recipes and South Indian recipes. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, Allah Hafiz.